Many of us want to reach the earning of $1 million, but find it difficult to reach the amount. For some of us, earning $1 million is not a big deal. There are many ways to earn $1 million, but each method requires a well-planned startup. In this video, we will show you 10 methods to earn your first $1 million. Hello viewers, and welcome to Exponential Luxuries, a place of exploring luxurious and financial horizons. Let's get to the list of our top 10s. Number 1. Be in the top 1% of highest paying profession. Do you know that doctors, lawyers, and management professionals make $150,000 yearly on average? But the experts in these fields may earn double or triple the amount than that. The highest paying job, along with an easy entry path, is sales. The position requires just the art of selling. If you are highly proficient at convincing and persuading, no one can stop you from earning over $250,000 per year. Following the average of $250,000, you will earn $1 million in just 4 years. Be in the top 1% of your profession, then there is no barrier to stop you from becoming a millionaire. Also, in the management sector, you just have to be able to manage people. Meet Sundar Pichai.
You have to work with people where you feel a bit insecure. Right? That's essential because that means you're working with people who are better than you.
Number 2. Invest in real estate. Real estate is a profitable business, but only if you have an initial investment. You can buy houses and give others on rent and earn passive income. Also, this business does not require a lot of management skills. The external factors affect very little to real estate business. A plus to survive even in a crisis. Meet Barbara Corcoran, an expert related to the real estate business.
Have a phenomenal housing year. Prices are going to continue to go up. When the buyers in many of the states that are restricted are allowed to come out and actually look at houses, they're going to make a lot of purchases very quickly.
Once you get your license, in real estate, there are many different areas that you can specialize in. There's residential real estate, there's commercial real estate, there's unimproved land, there's property management.
Number 3. Build and grow a small business. Starting up a new business might be difficult for anyone. But if you have an initial investment, it's always good to start a small business and take it to the next level. No one lacks business ideas, but just needs to implement a strategy. If you want to succeed in a small business and want to take it to a large corporation, always manage it before getting started. Always focus on basic needs, not luxury one, to get an initial boost for business. Warren Buffett advises,
small business owner, or for that matter, a large business owner, is never stop thinking about how to delight your customer, not to satisfy your customer.
Marketing is essential to attract new customers to your business. Finally, getting the right advice from sources like a solicitor, accountant, insurance broker, and mortgage broker is critical.
Number 4. Purchase a franchise. If you're not creative enough to come up with ideas, purchasing a franchise of an already established business is a good option. For this, you need to bear 2 types of costs. One is the standard franchise fee, and the other is the percentage of business you are starting up. The company ensures having liquid assets before selling the franchise to any person to bear the business's cost. The amount of required liquid assets varies from each company's franchise. Here's an expert view about the franchise.
Franchises. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the 5 questions, go to the website entrepreneur-code.com. The link is down below.
Number 5. Software as a service. Following the SaaS model is an easy and quick way to earn millions of dollars. Let's take Netflix's example. They have built a robust SaaS model and earn $7.99 minimum per month for each subscription. They have an audience of millions. If you have 5,000 people paying $17 per month each for a subscription, you can earn $1 million in 1 year. But it will be difficult for you to reach out to a broad audience. It's good to build an audience in a niche you like the most on social media, and then determine the audience's needs and launch your service.
A software as a service solution provides a number of benefits to organizations and helps them to meet their various challenges, ranging from wanting to get drugs to market faster.
Number 6. Go viral on YouTube. YouTube is like a gold mine at present. Can you imagine YouTube can make you a millionaire? It depends upon the type of video you choose, but the views between 500 million to 1 billion can take your earnings to $1 million. Let's take the example of Mr. Beast. who earns thousands of dollars per day from YouTube. He mainly focuses on challenges and giving away money to others. But the earnings of YouTube is not only from AdSense ads. You can make much more from promotion, book selling, and other opportunities. You can use YouTube to promote your own business through your audience.
A week, month, year, I don't care if it takes a decade. The last one of your hands to come off this $1 million keeps it. As you can see, you have a clear view of all their hands. So if you lift it up, that bad boy will pick it up. And we also have an in-person rep.
Number 7, drop shipping model. Drop shipping is a fantastic business model of e-commerce. In this model, you find a supplier who develops, packages, and delivers the product to consumers on your behalf. You just need to come up with sales. Let's take an example. You find a supplier in Japan who sells a commodity at $5. You establish a website or store where you bring a customer and sell the same item at $20. You will earn your profit of a flat $15. Do you know how Kylie Jenner works? She works using the dropshipping business model. She owns a company with only 6 employees. All the work she gets from another company. The secret of her success is a huge Instagram following, so she does not spend on ads. She makes videos to promote her cosmetics brand.
So after my face wash, I will go in with my vanilla milk toner. It has apple extract and avocado oil, so it really unclogs your pores, purifies your face.
Number 8, buy, flip, repeat. The fundamental principle of business is to buy something at a low price and sell it at a higher price. If you have some initial investment, this model will work best for you. You just need the art of selling. Buy anything at a low price, sell at a premium price to someone else. Benjamin Kicks, 20-year-old boy, earns $1 million a year just by reselling sneakers. The first time his mother bought sneakers for him, he resold to his classmate for almost double the price. He got fame in reselling, and one pair of sneakers sold at $20,000. Many celebrities reached out to him and bought sneakers at premium prices.
My name is Benjamin Kicks, and I'm 18 years old, and I get sneakers for a lot of celebrities, and I also sell them on my website to the public.
Number 9, make an app. Publishing your app on Play Store can bring a lot of money to you. You just need to get a lot of loyal audiences who use your app and services regularly. AdMob pays for ads that appear within the app. But if you have an app with both free and premium membership services, you can earn much more through each subscription the user pays. Over the past couple of years, the app industry evolved very much. Candy Crush is making almost $1 million per day. If the user finds your app valuable, it's not difficult to earn more and more revenue from a single loyal user. And at number 10, work for a multimillionaire. A quick way to become a millionaire is to work for someone who is a billionaire. Rich people take much care of time and they respect and pay a lot of money to save their time. 1 out of 5 become millionaires by working for someone rich. You just need to gain the trust of a billionaire. It's easier to get rich by working for someone else than to start up your own business. Now, if you decide to pick this path, first, find a mentor who will guide you with each and every aspect of business and entrepreneurship. You may get a chance to work in an organization, and if a wealthy person finds you trustworthy and able to handle tasks, you may get a chance to save time and give value. In return, you will get a lot of money with no barrier. Meet ex-CEO of Microsoft.
Microsoft and Google, the big thing back in the day was, these brain teaser interviews and puzzles and this and that has sort of evolved.
Which of these methods inspires you the most? Express your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that bell notification icon. See you next time.